Welcome to the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. With its variety of beaches, it's a real magnet for surfers. And with the Atlantic low pressure systems whipping up the waves, the swells are terrific. We've got everything you could wish for, from hollow reef breaks for the experts to sandy sheltered bays for beginners.
I think surfing in Pembrokeshire is very varied. There's loads of different breaks, and they work in different wind directions, swell directions, and it's nice safe beaches, so it's got something for everybody. Yeah, you can start surfing at any age. I've got two sons myself, and I don't think they could remember when they couldn't surf. At the other end, I often see people, in their 70s and beyond surfing here in Pembrokeshire, so it's ideal for all ages.
The great thing about Pembrokeshire is the beaches are easily accessible for everyone. Of course, the icing on the cake is the fantastic and diverse wildlife that we have here. And whilst you're out there on the surfboard, there's always a good chance you'll spot the odd seal or two. To ride the crest of the wave, then Pembrokeshire Coast is the place to do it.